Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you the weekly update on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now, this highway project is to build a highway from Harborview to Portland. It's split into 15 sections. 10 out of 15 sections work is being done on. The other 5 they haven't started work on yet. So this section we're driving on now is between Harborview and Yalos. And this was the most difficult section to build because this section involves taking the existing road and expanding it to 4 lanes. All the other sections of the highway, all they're doing is upgrading the existing road that is there. Also in this section, they are building some new roads. So this is the most difficult section to be worked on for the entire highway project. It's 17.4 kilometers off the 140 kilometer road. So this section was to finish in August of this year. And it's obvious to everyone that it won't finish in August. But what the NWA wants to do now is open 2 lanes of this highway from Harborview to Yalos by August. Now that is possible. Now remember, it's 4 lanes all the way from Harborview to the Yalos Bridge, just on the outskirts in Albion. So today's video we're going to give you an update on the opening of the 2 lanes for August 2023. And we are in the beginning, we're in August now, so we have 4 weeks. And I think it's possible to open up 2 lanes by August. It's very possible. Now remember, we said this was the most difficult section to build. It's being done by China Harbor Engineering Company, and they do all the major highways in Jamaica. Somebody in the NWA actually said no local company in Jamaica can do the work that China Harbor Engineering Company does. Now remember, we said that, I don't know if we should drive here, but we're going now. Right here where we're driving now is where the Bull Bay Police Station used to be. The Bull Bay Police Station used to be here. And you can see it had to be removed because they need a space for the 4 lanes. So I must say, you would never believe a police station was here at one time. Unbelievable. Now, we've heard 2 scenarios for building a new police station. One, this is where the station was, and this was the parking lot for the station. Actually, some of the station was over there as well. So we've heard that they're going to build a new station in 1 or 2 places. One spot is here, which literally would be behind where the existing station was, because you can see there is plenty of space over there. And there's actually space behind the fence. That fence was just there for security reasons, but there is space behind the fence. And we've heard another scenario where they are going to build a police station at a new spot further down. So we're not sure what's going on, but we will keep you updated. And we have videos up. That machine over there, actually, that's what they used to demolish the station. So you can check out those videos. So what happened was, because they're expanding the road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, they needed the space. And it's not the police station alone. Over 600 structures had to be removed. Most of them between Harborview and Bull Bay, because that section of was the most built up, and of course you build the stuff beside the road. So there you can see this road now lines up directly with the highway straight ahead. And the police station was actually a heritage site. It has been up for over 100 years. And one thing I noticed when they were demolishing it, back then, you know, they didn't build structures with steel. It was just stone. And that station stood without steel for over 100 years. And the only reason why it was removed is because they needed the space for the highway. It's really unfortunate that they couldn't find a way to build it without removing the station. But, I mean, on the left you can see there was just no space. You have homes, you have a lot more buildings, so I guess the alignment had to be done this way. And looking at this, you really would not believe a police station or any structure was here before. But they haven't started building a new station yet. I think I heard that they are going to have some temporary things set up for the police to use until the station is built. Okay. What we're doing is so dangerous. There are like so many open trenches. Let's just reverse. Actually, can we go straight and come off at the top? Right now we're going to turn around because dirt, as you can see, we're not level with the ground. This road is higher, so we almost reversed into a trench a while ago. So this is the machine that they use to demolish the station. That is what's left after Bull Bay Police Station. When they start building a new station, we will of course keep you guys updated and make videos of the construction. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.